Today, guys, we're going to make a homemade fish trap test. And in this test, we are going to experiment which bait is better, bread or night crawlers. Now, first, I'll show you how to make this. What I did is that I cut off the top of this bottle so that bigger fish can enter rather than smaller fish at the size of the bottle cap. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to cut a hole around this outer edge. See that? And you want to cut with an X-Acto knife. Now be extremely careful when you're using this. If you're younger, probably use parental supervision or even let your parent do it. Now I've already got a hole there, so I'm going to stick my scissors in it. So I'm going to cut straight, as straight as I can, around that line. Now that my lid's off and I have a perfect, not almost perfect circle, you want to stick your cap in, inside out, just like that. Make sure it's in like that. Now you have step one completed. Now the idea of this trap is that fish can swim in here, and then once they're in there, they eat all the bread, and once they're finished, they can't find the way out. And they'll try to go on this outer edge because fish are dumb. Now what you want to do is you want to take your waterproof tape and you want to seal this so when you pull it up with the string, it does not come off because all the water pressure will make it fall off. Now you want to rearrange it so it's nice and good, and just like that. Put tape on. See that? Just like that. And do the exact same thing with the other side. Now that I got my waterproof tape on, I'm going to use this string. Now what I've done beforehand, off camera, is I cut 2 holes right there. Now what I'm going to do with those 2 holes is I'm going to put one end in and see if I can get in there. It's very flimsy. Almost got it. Once you got your string in, you want to do 1 knot. Nice and good. And for extra security, you want to do another. And if you really are outgoing, do the 3rd one. Once you have your string tied to your bottle, you want to cut this extra part off. Be careful when doing this. Now that you have your string attached, you want to measure about 3 feet of yarn or string, just like that. And once you have that measured, use your scissors once again, cut it. Now that you have your fish trap ready with your string, your tape, and everything else completed, you are ready to go to your nearest water source and start using bait on it. Now, today we're using bread and night crawlers. We are going to see which one is a better bait for catching fish inside this trap.